Specializing in turnkey operations for a number of specialized industries, the next company we visited has become a game changer in the world of diving. Come with us to Southern California and meet one of the world's greatest in nitrox generation systems, Nuvair. Dating back to 1988, Nuvair has always been a company on the forefront of innovation, dedication, and customer dedication.
Nuvair is a family-owned business that manufactures membrane systems for commercial diving. We also have high-pressure systems for compressed natural gas and paintball and quite a few other industries. We're unique because we're able to produce nitrox from a membrane system. And the membrane system removes the nitrogen, and then we're left with a higher percentage of oxygen, up to 40%. We produce the frames, we weld them, we have them powder coated, we're assembling all the products. So most of our products are made here in the United States in Oxnard, California. And we take pride in that we have a large staff here in production and office, and we can produce a consistent product that benefits our customers.
Popular for creating and improving many products, Nuvair is best known for their turnkey nitrox membrane systems, which are cost-effective, reliable, simple, and versatile.
Our turnkey systems, such as our Voyager, are just absolutely beautiful units. They have a low-pressure compressor in them, a membrane, and a high-pressure compressor. And we also do turnkey low-pressure systems for commercial divers as well.
And much as you'd expect for a company that works with so many specialized industries, including the United States military, Nuvair is extraordinarily dedicated to their customers at all times.
Our dedication to our customer stems from the fact that we have a great product, and we can offer great customer support, and we can offer our manuals on our website. We can offer videos on how to work on your own equipment, or even for mechanics that might work on a customer's equipment. We also offer customer support on the phone, and we try to help our customers in any way we can. Nuvair is one of the world's greatest because we do sell literally around the world. You will find our product in almost every section of the world, in dive resorts, dive shops, commercial dive locations such as bridges and dams. Everywhere in the world you will find our product, helping divers stay down longer and dive safer.
Being the game changer the diving world needed, Nuvair is one of the world's greatest.